Horses for the 12 Pasay City Mayor Emmy Calixto Rubiano Cup. Diamond Power gets away immediately exalted, moving up Blackjack on the outside. High Octane is running by, they'll sing a new song. Then followed by Houdini and Robotic Lace, the early trader. Now we have Diamond Power, the leader by a neck. On the outside, second is Blackjack, exalted in third. And in fourth position, Sweep Andre, High Octane, sing a new song. Houdini and Robotic Lace. Down the backstretch, it's still Diamond Power, goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Blackjack still in second, and in third by a gap of 3 lengths is Exalted, moving up on the outside. Sweep Andre, High Octane, sing a new song. Houdini and Robotic Lace. And it's still Diamond Power, still dictating turns by a length and a half. Blackjack now trying to get closer in second, together with Exalted in third. Sweep Andre in fourth, High Octane. Diamond Power, Blackjack now on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Exalted in third, Sweep Andre, High Octane, sing a new song. Also coming closer in sixth position. Blackjack, Diamond Power is running by the Exalted still in third. High Octane now on the outside, together with Sweep Andre. With Blackjack this time by about 2.5 lengths. Exalted, High Octane on the outside. Houdini is running by the and it's still Blackjack by about 2.5 lengths. High Octane now on the outside second. And it's still Blackjack. High Octane giving the final burst of energy. Blackjack, High Octane, but it's still Blackjack. And finally Blackjack. Then comes High Octane, Houdini, sing a new song, Sweep Andre.
There you have it, racing fans. Race number 6 is over.